How to stop people from seeing you view their profile on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, go to your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings at the top right. After you do that, click on Privacy in here. In Privacy, scroll down and you will find Viewers. Simply click on it and make sure it's turned off. After it's turned off, you won't be able to see who viewed your profile, or other people won't be able to see if you viewed their profile. And this is how to stop people from seeing you view their profile on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.